taking advantage of nature's light energy in this continuous quest to find affordable energy-saving solution. Glass black is taking a renewed buzz in the industry. Today, join me as we explore the world of glass black windows and its benefits. So how does a glass black window helps in saving and conserving energy? How does it function and why do we need it? These questions will be answered more in this presentation. Home is where we are most comfortable, where we value our privacy and special moments shared with our loved ones. The coziness and warmth of the indoors create an inviting atmosphere to stay in. However, too little brightness does not scream cozy vibes at all. In fact, it creates illumination problems. Most face the issue of those gloomy, not so well lighted corners in our houses where very limited natural light enters. We oftentimes trip, fall, or have minor accidents in these areas too. Places like this in our houses creates a change in temperature, sometimes affects our comfort and mood. For instance, when it is too hot because sunlight directly enters the room, or when it is too cold and dark because of a bad weather outside. And in order to appease ourselves, we usually turn to the convenience of appliances, hence increasing our energy consumption and electric bill. Such problems must be addressed through an efficient and affordable way, and glass black window is the perfect solution. This technology is efficient because it saves unnecessary energy use and lessen our electric bills. It can illuminate any area of the house without using artificial lighting. Another added bonus is that it also reduces energy emission. Not only us, but the environment can benefit too. In addition, due to its thickness and low E coatings, it can control the heat emitted inside, which limits the usage of heating and cooling appliances. Therefore, it is advisable to install glass black windows as a more sustainable alternative. So how does it work? The process is simply the refraction of light and the application of low emissive coatings. We know that refraction is when the rays of sunlight enters an object. It changes speed, wavelength, and direction. For a glass black window, light passes through and refracts towards the normal line. This light is called incident ray. This means that when light travels from a less dense to a more dense medium, the light bends towards the normal line, making the angle of refraction greater than the angle of incident. Moreover, light bends away from the normal when the light passes from a more to a less dense medium. The light emitted is called emergent ray. A concrete example would be the passing of light from a glass block into the air and vice versa. I have also mentioned low emissive coatings. Low E is an energy-efficient glass window that has been treated with a metallic oxide coatings, which reflects heat while allowing light to pass through. It helps reduce the amount of UV light that enters the homes without blocking any visible light. It also absorbs heat reflected or conducted to outdoors and indoors respectively. So therefore, glass black window is a dual pane glass window with an insulated unit in between, which significantly improves energy saving performance and reduces energy consumption, favorable for the comforts of our homes. And that will be all. Thank you.